Hello, everyone. I want to take this time to review the crypto Mousecoin. They're starting to get quite a bit of hype on this Mousecoin, so I just want to go over it and see if it's a good, solid investment or not. First, I want to take you to the Mousecoin network website. Website overall looks pretty decent. It looks like they've done a lot of updates to it. First thing you want to take a look at in Mousecoin is that it does have a market cap, which is good. There are a lot of coins, 92 trillion coins, but the coins are super, super cheap, and you can get a lot of them for almost pennies on a dollar. But like I said, it also has a hard cap at 92 trillion. So a hard cap crypto is always a lot easier to increase in value because they stop making them. Also, what's really cool about this coin that I like is that you can stake the coin. So you can literally earn interest on that coin. You can get more coin just by staking it. The low fees and fast transaction times, I 100% agree on the fast transaction. I do have my Mousecoin, and I do transfer it from the BullX exchange to Stake Center to stake the coin. And the transaction is literally in 10 minutes. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Exchange availability, secure and earn. So let's just go through their website real quick. They do have updates on their news. So they do pump out some stuff there. It's look like it's a little dated, maybe a year ago, but I did see some newer updates to their website. They have a roadmap of Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 for 2021. So that is up to date. They do have some wallets. I did also notice that they just added an Android wallet. So that's something that they're in the works of doing. On their exchanges, they are listed on quite a bit of different exchanges. Cracks 24, BullX, Puro, Stake Center, and ATX. I like BullX for my exchanges, and it's nice to see that there's several different pairs for it. Doge, Trex, Pokemon, and SBI coin to swap. Looking at their social, it does look like they have a really good social media network set up. So they're pretty much on every single major one up there. And I just wanted to confirm. So I did some checking myself on, like for example, Reddit. And if you scroll down through the Reddit chat group, which is just created recently, they're starting to get a lot of hype on there. They're starting to say, people, this is not a joke crypto, a lot of potential, strong, advised to buy. You just scroll down, both invested at the same time. Let's say a 20-year-old guy, normal job, he's investing into it, buy and hold. So there's a lot of people that are really starting to hype this up, especially on the Reddit group. Also, if you look on Mousecoin, Blockspot.io, it's nice to see the general overview of the coin. So you can see that it has a very low market cap, 76,000, but that's not, it doesn't mean that it's a bad coin. It just means it's starting to gain momentum. It's a proof of stake coin, which is great because you can earn interest on that coin. Love that. Circulation, there's 3.8 trillion in circulation, a total of 92 trillion total. So there's still a lot of coin left out there. There are quite a bit of spikes on this chart. I'm going to go over to the BullX exchange so we can get a better chart because Blockspot doesn't have the best charts. Looks like it's a little bit down today, 50% down, but the other day I also noticed it was 7%, 700% up. So it seems to have a lot of ups and downs. For example, today, market cap $76,000. Over the last 24 hours, for being such a low cost coin, $5,000, 5,800 is actually pretty impressive. $1,000, 2,000 on the BullX, another 1,200, another 1,000. So most of their exchange is going through the BullX. Looks like almost more than half of it. You got some purchases through Stake Center. People are converting over their Dogecoin. I do see that here on the BullX too. So people are getting out of Dogecoin and into BullX. You got 2,000 in conversion there on BullX. You have another 100 over there conversion. And on exchange assets, you still have people just swapping stuff out. So you are starting to see a little bit of conversion there on some of the exchanges. So Blockspot.io does have quite a bit of information on it too. It also does have a Facebook page, so I did check that out as well. If you go to the Bolex exchange, this is just pulled up here for Mousecoin compared to US dollar. And if you're looking here, this is April 15th, so this is about 13 days ago. It's on a 13-day uptick, which, if you guys know, within this last 5 days, Bitcoin's taken a major hit. It went at its peak of 64,000, and then they announced that capital gains tax, and then it just took a tank on Friday, and it's been down all week, and it's starting to slowly gain up. It's like around 54,000, 55,000 right now, but this Mousecoin didn't get affected by it at all. So that's impressive. I like that. So just with what I'm seeing, I think it's sort of a neat little coin. And the symbol isn't bad. It's just a little mouse. Pretty basic stuff here. Website's nice and clean, updated. I like that it is on Blockspot.io, so that's pretty cool. I like that it's starting to get a big Reddit following, and that it's on a decent exchange, a Bullock's exchange. So overall, I would do this as a buy. I like the fact too that for a little bit amount of coin, you can get a ton of coins. So you can do a conversion even for one bolo or something. You can get like 50,000 Mousecoin, or for a penny, you could almost get 500,000 Mousecoin. But also the other neat thing here is it went from this 0.00001 to 0.0002. Small, tiny numbers, but that's 100% difference. So if you put in $1,000, you just got back 2,000. You doubled your money. So don't look at the price value. Look at how much you're going to put in. If you put in 10 grand and it hit right here, you just made another 10 grand. If you put in 100 grand, you just made another 100 grand. And if you look over here, the last peak that it hit, it's up quite a bit, probably 2.5 right around there. So, at those same numbers, it has a lot of potential. So I would definitely consider this as a purchase. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You can actually follow me, subscribe to my channel. I will update you more on Mousecoin. I will show you how to stake it. I'll also dive into buying it on this Bolex exchange here as well. So feel free to join the chat group as well. There's a Facebook chat group I'm a member of on there. It seems like there's a couple of people joining on that to see what is going to happen with Mousecoin. Thanks for tuning in, guys.